This is a quantum computer. The metal contents you see are revolutionary to the future possibility of our universe. Inside the computer, there is a vacuum chamber with a small freezing compartment reachable by tiny laser beams. Along with it, there are ultra-sensitive particles that together make up a quantum computer. A quantum computer is much more powerful than a classical computer. If you want to know why, go check out the previous video explaining a quantum computer. Quantum computers are fundamentally different than a classical computer. They can harness the power of quantum physics. Today's world's most powerful quantum computers can only string together a few dozen qubits. Still, they are already putting the most powerful traditional supercomputers to shame at some tasks. The US, Europe, China are pouring billions of dollars into research and development. Tech giants such as IBM, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Alibaba, and other universities are already making the way. Experimental quantum computers can surpass even the best supercomputers in the world. When a classical computer can't keep up with the complexity of a problem, in that case it is said that quantum supremacy is achieved. In October 2019, Google's California lab became the first known entity to achieve quantum supremacy. Its quantum computer did a calculation that would practically be impossible for even the world's most powerful supercomputer. Its 53-qubit Sycamore named processor did that by processing a task in a few minutes that would otherwise take thousands of years to compute in the world's most powerful supercomputer. The Canadian quantum computing company D-Wave is contracted with the US's biggest defense contractor, Lockheed Martin, in helping their weapon system and ensuring that they can perform the tasks error-free. Microsoft is writing an entirely new language for these machines. They are already simulating the quantum computer on a classical computer. In all of this, China seems to be ahead in this race of achieving the supremacy of quantum computers. China created the world's first secure communication network with a quantum satellite. They did this by exploiting a fundamental principle of quantum physics called entanglement. You can find more information about this phenomenon in the previous video. In entanglement, two qubits are linked together over large distances. The qubits can instantaneously share their quantum state information with each other, hence making it possible for Chinese researchers to securely communicate using quantum technology. Right now, this is the world's largest integrated quantum communication network that can cover up to over 4,600 kilometers of distance. As of October 2021, Chinese researchers reported developing the world's fastest programmable quantum computer known as Jiushuang-2. It can calculate a specific task in 1 millisecond. Its 66 qubits computer can perform the task 10 million times faster than Google's Sycamore. While the first commercially viable quantum computer is likely still years away, these breakthroughs can have potential application in many areas, two of which I am going to talk about it right now. Cybersecurity and cryptography. With our increasing dependency on digitization, the online world has become more vulnerable day by day because of the rising number of cyber attacks. Quantum computing can help combat these cybersecurity threats by developing various techniques. It can also help create stronger encryption methods. Healthcare and medicine. Quantum computers can help design and analyze molecules for drug development by simulating and computing the exact properties of all quantum particles in nature. It can allow pharmaceutical companies to carry out more drug discoveries for better medical treatments. There are, of course, so many potential applications with quantum computing, including the ideas of teleportation, artificial intelligence, and the future of internet. It is unclear which of these technologies will come to fruition over time. The same is true for the companies in this space as well. But perhaps the bigger question is, will it ever live up to its expectations? The future is uncertain for sure. If you would like to see more of this, be sure to check out my previous videos and don't forget to subscribe. If you have some future video suggestions, comment down below.